Hi, welcome once again. Let us see what all softwares and tools are required to complete this course. To be honest, we need only one local software to be installed on your machine so that you can run your website locally and then we can deploy the website on the server. So which is that software? The first one is XAMPP. Now what is XAMPP? A local server environment to run PHP, MySQL and Apache for your website development. This is the only software which needs to be downloaded from Google and installed on your machine. It's very easy to do it. Just go to Google, write down download XAMPP for Windows or Mac, download the file and install it. There are tons of videos on YouTube which you'll find if you're finding any difficulty to install XAMPP. If you're not able to find the video, let me know. I will add a video to how to download and install XAMPP. The next one is ChatGPT. It's very common and everyone knows it now. But what are we going to use it for? So to be honest, just by writing in plain English, sometimes ChatGPT will not give you the correct or maybe the expected output. For that, we need a clean structure. Or maybe there's a way we need to actually ask or maybe give context to ChatGPT, and that is called as prompt. And you must be hearing a lot about prompt engineering. So I'll be talking a little bit about it, and I'll be actually telling you how to actually use ChatGPT to give proper prompts so that you get expected output. So this is the tool which we're going to use, and we're going to ask ChatGPT to give us a proper prompt for Claude so that it will generate a proper code for us and we'll be able to debug the course. Next one is Claude. Same as ChatGPT, but I am using Claude because it is good at code generation. And the website which I showed you in beginning, which you'll be actually making, is made totally by using Claude. So first we saw ChatGPT and this one is Claude. So we'll be using the output from both of them, merging it together, and we'll have a beautiful website in front of us. Okay. Sometimes we may actually use Perplexity also because it gives you a very perfect or maybe a precise answer to the question and it does not hallucinate. So let's say that when you actually go and search something on Google, so it may give you like tons of links where you have to open and go and find things into it, but Perplexity actually goes and gets you the most accurate, or can say most nearest answer to you that can be helpful for you. So these, in short, these are the tools and softwares which we will be using for our course. So just go and install it and see you in the next lecture. Thank you so much.